Hey, are you ready for another episode of Tech Tips series? Let's start! This video will teach you how to add summary tasks and view the interactions you made in your interactive video using H5P. If you haven't seen Tech Tips episode 17 yet, I recommend watching it first, since this episode continues from there. Are you ready to continue? Let's start. Adding summary task. This step will come forth after adding interactions. The summary task is a feature that is interactable and aids the viewer to summarize the video content that they have watched. This feature will always be displayed at the end of the video. To add a summary task, click on Step 3, Summary Task button. Type in the title of the activity. Then, input the introduction text. This will serve as the instruction for the viewers. By default, it states, "Choose the correct statement," but you can edit the text depending on your preferences. Once done, you need to input your list of statements in the Set of Statements box. Take note that the first statement that you input in the list is automatically the correct statement. You can add more than one interactive statement in the summary task according to your preferences. To add more statement questions, just click on the Add Statements button and type in your additional questions. The statements are automatically saved once you are done typing. Testing the interactions. You can always go ahead and check if the interactions that you have inserted work as intended in the View section. To do this, look for the View button, located beside the Edit button at the topmost left part of the tab. Once you are in the View section, you can watch and test out the interactions that you embedded. This puts you in the point of view of a viewer watching the video, making catching and correcting mistakes easier. If you notice some errors in your interactions, for instance, an embedded interaction blocks some important content of the video, you can always come back to the Edit section by clicking the Edit button beside the View section. Then, drag that interaction across an empty area of the video panel. Note that you can drag any interactions you embedded across the video panel. Great work! Quite easy to do, right? The only thing left to do now is to save and export your video. We will be going in depth on how to do just that in the next episode. Hope to see you there.